Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 new leak suggests notable upgrades in the new foldables. It's tipped to come with a bigger battery and more RAM. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is also said to come with Gorilla Glass armor. This phone is expected to launch later this year in July at the next Galaxy Unpacked event. A new leak details is the possible key specification of the Galaxy Z Flip 6, suggesting a bunch of upgrades for the foldables. This phone will feature a 6.7-inch inner display and a 3.9-inch outer display. In comparison to Galaxy Z Flip 6, this one will offer a slightly bigger cover display than 3.4-inch. The upcoming Flip phone is expected to be powered by the flagship Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 chipset paired with 12GB RAM. This would be another upgrade as the Galaxy Z Flip 5 offer only 8GB RAM models. The foldable phone could house 50MP and 12MP cameras and a 400mAh battery. In terms of design, Samsung is reportedly planning a bigger cooling system, an improved hinge and internal layout, and Gorilla Glass armor. The foldable will also get 7 years of software updates and come with Galaxy AI. But we can expect some more notable upgrades on the Galaxy Z Flip 6. In terms of design, leaks suggest we won't see much of a change other than the slightly bigger cover display. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is tipped to launch in 4 color options: light blue, yellow, light green, and silver colors. It looks like Samsung is retiring the purple color for the Flip series. Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy Z Flip 6 at its Unpacked event in July. Joining this foldable could be the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Galaxy Buds 3, Galaxy Watch 7 series, and Galaxy Ring. This is going to be the second and another major Unpacked event after the Galaxy S20 launch event. Ever since the Z Fold line began, many users have been asking Samsung to widen the cover display to make it more useful. Other large foldable phones like Google Pixel Fold have already gone this route, but the difference is immediately noticeable in daily use. It's also said that the Samsung is figuring out ways to incorporate the S Pen into the chassis of Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung is also reportedly experimenting with a side-mounted S Pen, similar to how the pen is attached to the base Galaxy Z Fold 5 case. The S Pen could also get multiple buttons, making this the first S Pen in years with any kind of new features addition. But no matter what aspect ratio or S Pen configuration Samsung goes with, all rumor point to a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 that's lighter and thinner than Z Fold 5. That's about 15 grams lighter, putting it in the same class as the OnePlus Open. Samsung could be outfitting the Z Fold 6 with a titanium frame to match Galaxy S24 Ultra and a newer, stronger ultra-thin glass that feels less like plastic. But we expect Samsung to swipe out the sensor on the Z Fold 6 with something newer and hopefully extend the reach of the telephoto lens while they are at it. Many other large foldables are now packing telephoto lenses with 5x optical zoom or more, plus main sensors that are physically larger than what Samsung uses on the Z Fold 5. The Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 should power Galaxy Z Fold 6 when it releases in Q3. If Samsung launches a Galaxy Z Fold 6 FE, the phone will likely use a Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 or maybe even a Snapdragon 8S Generation 3 to keep costs down. We won't expect to see big changes in battery size or charging capacity, but there's always hope. Most of us at Android Central would love to see Samsung move away from plastic screen, protectors and put something more premium over the ultra thin folding glass inside.